Okay, so it's January and everyone's talking about vegan food, so I'm just going to give you a couple of really simple tips that add a lot of flavour into vegan food, which can sometimes be difficult. Now, I've been to the local supermarket and I've got a couple of things here which are really, really good. So this is some seaweed. Seaweed's got lots and lots of savoury flavours in it, so this is dried seaweed which you can use to flavour anything vegan. A bit of salt and seaweed on top of everything just gives it a bit more of a meaty taste. And similarly this is actually porcini powder, so this is just, you can make your own, get some dried porcini and blend it together. Again, lots and lots of savoury flavour in there and adds brilliant depth to vegan food. Other things you can use, soy sauce is fantastic, Marmite is fantastic. You've got lots and lots of things that you can add this deep glutamate flavour. Mushrooms, dried mushrooms or fresh mushrooms, also add it. And that's because our taste buds do really respond to these flavours which are often found in meat products. But this way, you can get that same taste and enjoy a fantastic Veganuary.